Good evening, everyone. It is the 20th of May, 2025. It's our sunset from the west side, looking towards the east from Kelowna. You might see a little bit better sun, but the sun is shining on Mission Hill Winery and the mountain up there in Granby Park. The snow is on there too, just like, Little White. And it is a chilly, chilly wind, and it feels like there might be snow happened on the Okanagan connector, because it is a cool, cool breeze. It is plus 14 right now. Feels like about plus 6 with that cool breeze. Anyways, that's about our sunset that we have right now. So anyways, take care, stay safe. Happy Tuesday. It feels like Monday. Short week this week for everyone that's working. Short week for all us retirees. Anyways, take care, stay safe. As always, peace out.